So it's called the rocket stove because that burn, and we'll hear this later when we light it, once it starts to suck the air in and burn in the back, you hear this and generates this turbocharged burn. The idea of a rocket stove is to create a wood burning stove that burns very, very aggressively and very hot. This little entrance down the bottom, what this does is to draw fresh new oxygen into the point where the gases are getting pulled through into the back, and that then starts a secondary burn that burns up all that remaining carbon monoxide in the back of the stove. So everything's getting hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter all the time, which gives you a maximum efficiency burn.
Welcome to Create Your Own Paradise. We are a world schooling family of 4. Normally you can find us in this beautiful community called Malama in Portugal. But now it's time to do some traveling again. Today we're going to visit our old neighbors in their off-grid farm in Spain and delve into the science behind their unique, one-of-a-kind rocket stove that they have built.
What's behind us? It's a combination rocket oven and water heater and outdoor space heater. This is the design that I made for the rocket stove. This is a cutaway. What we'll see here is that the fire starts here in the firebox, and it comes through the slit at the back of the firebox, and it comes into this tall chimney here, which is made of the insulated concrete. It comes out. I don't have in the plan the hole in the floor of the oven, but that's where it comes out into this box, which is made of heat-resistant fire bricks that are then insulated around. And then it comes across here through the heat exchanger and down into the main body of the oven. The gases have circulated around in this brick chamber. It then goes out through this hole at the bottom, at the far side, and into the bench that I'm now sitting on.
A few minutes later.
So this was it for today, and just saying, this magical oven heats this beautiful bench, so when it's cold outside you can still sit and snuggle. It boils the water for the heating, for the floor heating in the house, and it cooks really delicious pizzas. Bye bye.